टाइप, थ्री टाइप ऑफ इनिशिया, थ्री टाइप ऑफ इनिशिया हो गया। इनिशिया ऑफ द बॉडी इज ऑफ द थ्री टाइप्स, इनिशिया ऑफ रेस्ट, नंबर 2 इनिशिया ऑफ मोशन, नंबर 3 इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन। इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन हो गया, इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन, इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन हो गया, इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन, इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन हो गया, इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन, इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन हो गया, इनिशिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन। Work. Work is said to be done by a force when the body is displaced actually through some distance in the direction of the applied force. Direction of the applied force. Work is said to be done by a force when the body is displaced actually through some distance in the direction of the applied force. Some direction in the applied force हो गया, some direction in the applied force हो गया, some direction in the W is equal to एफ वैक्टोरियल डॉट एस वैक्टोरियल, एस वैक्टोरियल हो गया, एस वैक्टोरियल। पावर, पावर ऑफ ए पर्सन और मशीन इज डिफाइंड as the time rate at which work is done by it, work is done by it, power rate of doing work, work done by time taken, work done by time taken हो गया, work done by time taken, work done by time taken हो गया, work done is equal to joule per second, joule per second। Power of an agent is said to be 1 watt if it can do 1 joule of the work in 1 second, 1 joule of the one is 1 house power is equal to 746 watt हो गया। सब काइनेटिक एनर्जी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी is kinetic energy of a body is the energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion, virtue of by its motion हो गया, virtue of it by motion, virtue by it is motion हो गया, v square minus u square is equal to 2as हो गया, 2as। kinetic energy of the body, kinetic energy of the body is w is equal to half mv square हो गया, half mv square, half mv square हो गया, half mv square, half mv square हो गया, half mv square। kinetic energy of the body is half of the product, half of the product of the mass of the body and square of the velocity of the body, square of the velocity of the body हो गया, square of the velocity of the body, square of the velocity of the body हो गया, square of the velocity of the body। refraction, reflection of light, reflection of light हो गया, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट क्या होगा, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, रेगुलर एंड डिफ्यूजन रिफ्लेक्शन, रेगुलर एंड डिफ्यूजन रिफ्लेक्शन हो गया, रेगुलर एंड डिफ्यूजन रिफ्लेक्शन, रेगुलर एंड डिफ्यूजन रिफ्लेक्शन, रेगुलर एंड डिफ्यूजन। स्फेरिकल मिरर, the portion of a refracting surface which form part of a sphere is called a spiral mirror, spherical mirror हो गया, spherical mirror। The spherical mirror are of two types, concave spherical mirror, convex spherical mirror, convex spherical mirror हो गया, convex spherical mirror। concave spherical mirror, a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is toward the center of the sphere of which the mirror form a part is called a concave spherical mirror, concave spherical mirror। convex spherical mirror, a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is away from the center of the spiral of which the mirror form a part is called a convex spherical mirror हो गया, convex spherical mirror, convex spherical mirror हो गया, convex spherical mirror, convex spherical mirror हो गया, convex spherical mirror। relation between small f और capital R, small f और capital R हो गया, small and और capital R, small and और capital R हो गया, small and capital R हो गया, small and और capital R। find the focal length of a concave mirror, focal length of a concave mirror and convex mirror each having radius of the curvature of the 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter R is equal to minus 20 centimeter concave mirror, f is equal to r बटे 2, f is equal to r बटे 2 minus 10 centimeter, small f is equal to capital R बटे 2, capital R बटे 2 is it plus 10 centimeter, plus 10 centimeter हो गया, plus 10 centimeter, plus 10 centimeter हो गया। mirror formula, mirror formula Mirror formula equation is a relation between the distance of the object, the distance of the image, focal length हो गया, distance of the image of the focal length, distance of the image of the focal length हो गया, distance of the image हो गया, focal length of the image हो गया 1/u plus 1/v is equal to 1/f, 1/f हो गया 1/f, 1/u plus 1/v is equal to 1/f, 1/f हो गया 1/f, 1/f हो गया 1/f, 1/f हो गया 1/u plus 1/v is equal to 1/f, v is equal to 1/f हो गया 1/f हो गया. A concave mirror has a focal length of 20 centimeter and an object is placed at a distance of 16 centimeter from it. Full stop. Find the position and nature of the image formed by it. 1/u plus 1/v is equal to 1/f, 1/f हो गया, v is equal to uf बटे u minus f, u minus f हो गया, लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन हो गया, लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन, लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन हो गया, लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन, मैग्निफिकेशन, लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन हो गया, लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन, लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन हो गया, लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन. Formation of image by a concave mirror. Formation image by a concave mirror. Depending upon the position of the object, the image formed by a concave spatial mirror of the different size and real or virtual in nature discussed below. When object like at infinity. When object like at infinity. When object like at infinity. Okay. When object like at infinity. Infinity, consider that the object like at infinity in front of the concave mirror, in front of the concave mirror, u is equal to infinity, u is equal to infinity, 1/u plus 1/v is equal to 1/f, 1/f, m is equal to minus v/u, m is equal to minus v/u, m is equal to minus v/u गया, m is equal to minus v/u. When object like beyond c, object like beyond c हो गया, object like beyond c. When object like beyond c, v is negative, real, invert and Dimen's image of the object. Dimen's image of the object will be between the focus and center of the curvature. Center of the curvature हो गया, center of the curvature, center of the curvature हो गया, center of the curvature, center of the curvature हो गया, center of the curvature, center of the curvature हो गया. When object like between p and f, object like between p and f हो गया, object. When object like beyond c, when object like beyond c, consider that the object a be like beyond the center of curvature of the concave mirror. Then according to the sign convention, the distance of the object measured from the pole of the mirror is negative. Pole of the mirror is negative. Pole of the mirror is negative हो गया, pole of the mirror is negative, real, inverted and dimension image of the object will be formed between the focus and center of the curvature of the mirror. Third, when object like at c, when object like at c, when object like at c हो गया, when object like at c, when object like in CV is negative, in real and inverted image having the same size as that of the object will be between the focus and center of the curvature. Focus and center of the curvature हो गया, focus and center of the curvature. Fifth, when object like at f, when object like at f, in case the object like in focus of the concave, focus on the concave mirror, focus on the concave mirror हो गया, focus of the concave mirror हो गया. 6, when object like between p and f, when object like between p and f हो गया, when object like between p and f, when object like between p and f, virtual, erect and magnified image of the object will be formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, formation of the image by a convex mirror. Convex mirror हो गया, convex mirror, convex mirror हो गया, application of the spherical mirror हो गया, application of the spherical mirror, application of the spherical mirror हो गया. A concave mirror of the focal length 20 centimeter in is placed 50 centimeter from a wall. Full stop. How far from the wall on an object be placed to form it real image on the wall. A real image on the wall हो गया, real image on the wall. V is equal to -50 सेंटीमीटर, F is equal to -20 सेंटीमीटर. Concave mirror. From the mirror formula 1/u is equal to 1/f minus 1/v. 1/v हो गया, 1/v. 1/v. In object is placed at the distance of the 40 सेंटीमीटर from a concave mirror. The focal length 15 सेंटीमीटर. E full stop. If the object is displaced through any distance of the 20 centimeter toward the mirror, by how much distance in the image display? 1/u plus 1/v is equal to 1/f. 1/f हो गया, 1/f हो गया, 1/f. 1/f हो गया, 1/f. 1/f हो गया, 1/f. रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट हो गया, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट हो गया, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट हो गया. फिनोमिना ऑफ चेंज इन पाथ ऑफ द लाइट has it goes from one medium to another is called a refraction. One medium to another is called a refraction. The phenomena of the change in path of the light as it goes from one medium to another is called a refraction. Is called a refraction. Is called a refraction हो गया. Phenomena of the refraction take place according to the following two law. An incident ray normal to the refracting surface at the point of incident and the refracting ray like in the same plane. Like in the same plane हो गया. Snell law. Snell law हो गया. sin I बटे sin R. sin I बटे sin R हो गया. Absolute refraction index of the medium nu is equal to velocity of the light in vacuum बटे velocity of the light in medium. Velocity of the light in medium हो गया. Velocity of the light in medium. Velocity of the light in medium. Velocity of the light in medium हो गया. Velocity of the light in medium. Velocity of the light. Drive the lens equation. Lens equation convex lens हो गया. Convex lens. When image form is real image in form in real, consider that an object AB is placed at the point beyond F on the principal axis on of a convex lens. Full stop. It is it real image हो गया. It real image हो गया. It real image B when image form in virtual. When image form in virtual हो गया. When image form in virtual हो गया. To drive lens equation. To drive lens equation हो गया. To drive lens equation. To drive lens equation हो गया. To drive lens equation. To drive lens equation हो गया. To drive lens equation. Linear magnification हो गया. Linear magnification M is equal to I बटे O. M is equal to I बटे हो गया. M is equal to I बटे. Image formed by convex lens. Convex lens हो गया. Image formed by convex lens. Image formed by convex lens when object like at infinity. When object like at infinity हो गया. 2. When object like at 2f. When object like in beyond 2f. Beyond 2f हो गया. When object like in beyond 2f. 3rd. When object like at 2f. When object. 4th. When object like at f and 2f. F and 2f हो गया. When object like at f. When object like at f हो गया. 6. When object like between f and c. When object like between f and c हो गया. Image formed by concave lens. By concave lens हो गया. Power of the lens हो गया. Ability of a lens or to cover edge or divide the ray of the light incident on it is called the power of the lens हो गया. It's called the power of the lens. It's called the power. Optical instrument हो गया. Optical instrument eyes. Ciliary muscle eyes. Ciliary cornea sphere. Calculate the maximum angular magnification produced by magnifying glass of the 5 cm focal length. Distance between a diversion is equal to 25 cm. M is equal to 1 plus D बटे F. M is equal to 1 plus D बटे F हो गया. 1 बटे M is equal to 1 plus D बटे F हो गया.